Hi everybody, and a very warm welcome to Susannah's Kitchen, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And thank you for choosing to click on this video. So we make everything in the Ninja Foodi here, and Christmas is no exception. Of course, I don't expect you to be making a whole Christmas dinner for like 10 people using just one Ninja Foodi, but these recipes aren't just for Christmas Day. These recipes are for the full festive season. So I've got you covered with everything from party nibbles, starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. I've got the full works going on this December, so I really hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to give me a like below and subscribe to my channel as well. So today's recipe is an exclusive cookbook recipe. I've got a brand new Christmas cookbook that I have just released over on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. So go over there and grab yourself a copy. Now you don't need to worry about saving this video for today's recipe because there'll be a QR code in the cookbook which will link back if you do want to watch the recipe video again. And all my recipes are super achievable and of course really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed today's Ninja Foodi recipe. Let's go and start cooking. To make my beautiful Christmas red cabbage with apple, it is so good and it's pressure cooked and it's so easy to make in your Ninja Foodi. We start off with the cabbage and I always remove the outer leaves because these can be a little bit tougher and not as nice. So I always do that to start with. And then what I like to do is cut this into quarters-ish. I've just gone a bit wonky there. That wasn't a quarter. Never mind. So a quarter like that. And then you're going to have here your hard core, so the stalk of the cabbage. And you want to remove this. And now we want to shred the rest of this cabbage into fine, thin pieces. We're making the most delicious red cabbage with apple in our Ninja Foodi. This is absolutely perfect for Christmas. It is just so nice and will go with so many different things. And of course, a perfect recipe for Christmas Day as well. So let's start off with our pot and some water. To the water, we're going to be adding some red wine vinegar. So the way that I make my cabbage is that I start off with a first layer of my cabbage, and there is a lot of it here. So get a decent layer all over the bottom of your pot, like so. Brilliant. And then we want to season each layer as we go. So some salt and some black pepper, and then a little sprinkle of our chopped up apple. Same again with our white onion. I've got the spices mixed together, so a little sprinkle over, and then I'm using brown sugar. So again, we'll use some of the brown sugar on this layer. We're going to be using garlic, so I'm just going to go and crush that, and we can add a little bit in at a time. And now all you do is repeat that until you've got all the ingredients in nicely layered like this. I'm on to my last layer now. And if this doesn't make you feel festive, I don't know what will. Because to be honest, I very rarely cook red cabbage. And I don't know why really. I absolutely love it. And when you do it like this, it tastes so, so good. Now let's close the lid on. Ensure that your pressure valve is turned over to seal so that we can come up to pressure. And now let's pressure cook. Brilliant. We can open up the Ninja and have a look inside. Oh my goodness, looks incredible. Look at that beautiful red cabbage, and the color of that is incredible. Look at that. It smells so, so nice. Look at this. And it's got those bits of onion and apple running through that. To make it a little bit more indulgent, you can add some butter. It doesn't have to be a lot. or it can be if you want it to be, of course. That's just going to add an extra richness to this beautiful dish, and that is going to work so well this Christmas. This is an exclusive cookbook recipe, so if you would like all the quantities and ingredients for this, then my brand new Christmas cookbook is available on my website, www.susannahskitchen.uk. Head over there, get yourself a copy. There will be a QR code to this video, so if you visually want to watch it again, you can, but also the book will give you the full method and also that list of ingredients with quantities.